It is time for back to school again. And trust mama that loves to be organized. Here I am heading to Oyimi Market to go buy fresh tomatoes in crate because you guys know stew is a lifesaver. And now, my darlings, please relax and enjoy watching today's market vlog as I share with you guys the current cost of foodstuff in a Nigerian market.
And how much last they give me for tomato? From 12 where she tell me, what I want price you 10. Now you and I can't tell me 12. She tell me 12. I can't tell her. I can't make her go.
You guys, this is a new trick that happens in the market that I've, observed for a while now, especially with these people that hustle buyers, to buy from a particular vendor. Now, the person who hustled me to this stand told me a crate of tomato is sold at 12,000 naira, only for me to get to the vendor herself, and she said that the crate of tomato is 13,000 naira. And I was like, wow, is this what you guys do now? Anyway, as you heard, a crate of tomato is sold at 13,000 naira. This is the tomato. I've gotten the tomato. So I got 2 crates. 2 crates of tomato. So you guys, the next day I continued with my shopping. Like I mentioned earlier, it's back to school season for the third term, and I'm just trying to stock up the kitchen with necessary food stuff that would make packing lunch for the kids easy, and of course the one we would also be consuming at home. So yeah, this is Rumokoro Market in Rivers State, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So this particular section of the market where I am heading to right now is Ave Maria. You guys, in this particular section, this is where the farmers bring their farm produce to sell. This particular section sells foodstuffs at a very, very fair price.
I know, keep my battery. Take this one, take this other one. I know if it's a leather. I like this one. No, 3,000. This other one. This one says 2,000. See this one here, 2,000. I'll put 2,500. If you take 2,500, I'm not going to pay you 2,500 now. The other one. Give me like I go. No, by the time I check all of the baby. Me say I want to test you. Thank I don't. You know, press some more. This morning, I don't check anything. You know that. Bonga, how much? This side 1, 2. Mama, what's happening now? Fish, I'm not even going to only this one. This one, the sun. Huh?
Because of the cost.
They make I buy how many?
Buy 4. I come out only 100 and not good oil.
Say 113.
113. The 4. Let me calculate it. Oil, not
so 4 would be how much?
Let me calculate it now. That's what I want to. The rich gram. That's why I buy. It's fine, neat. Your soup go cash well, sweet well. Mama, people don't take because I buy many for my hand. And the way you use them, the person they come back.
You get Maggie crayfish? Star? Okay. How much?
1 packet.
Huh?
4 packets.
Okay. Give me a granite oil, golden terra, 1 liter. How much?
32.
The one where get the tomato?
Yes.
Okay. Give me 3. Maybe 3,000. Don't climb with 200. I mean, they use that they sell the tomato, call them free gift. Now I'm the thing now. No. They use that sell them. Still call them free gift. This Sonia, for this sachet, how much like this? Like this?
1,000.
1,000 like this. This side how much? 500. Oh yeah.
1.
But a strong one. No, start. No, content like that. No content 2 like that. You say here 3, here 4. Put that one on the then here now remain 3. Now if you should then take one for here, yes. No, give me better one. See, come. This side over there. I better change that small one, no good. Yeah. Change them for me.
So you guys, these onions you see, they are portioned at 500 naira each. So I just missed the sizes, okay? I got a few portions of the big size and a few portions of the small size, okay? So moving forward, after buying the onions, I went to the section where they sell spices. So I got garlic, I got ginger, and I also got chai seed. I also got our Nigerian local spices and the likes of Uda, you know, all the Nigerian local spices that they use in making pepper soup for a woman that just put to bed. For those who know, I have a newborn. My baby is currently 2 months old, and I use these spices for my weight loss and also for lactation. I will be dropping a video on how I use those spices, and when I do, I'll link the video in the description box, okay?
This one 700. This one 800. That's 2,000.
If you saw my previous market vlog, you know that I always buy fruits, especially from this particular market, this Ave Maria market. Their fruits are always fresh and way cheaper. Okay, so I also got 2 bunch of plantain, unripe plantain, and after I got done from this Ave Maria market, I called a wheelbarrow person that took the things I got and loaded up in the car. And after that, I proceeded to another section of this Rumokoro market where they sell yams and potatoes and other food stuffs.
I got feel by today. This side they go there.
3,500.
This side 3,500 for this size. You see, give me 10,000. 10,000. Man, no price too much. Just give me 8,000, man. How much are you?
For 32.
Yes, ma'am.
Adama soup, you go know how to do yogurt, ice cream.
So you guys, I got this half measurement of okra at 3,000 naira, and the crate of egg is now sold at 6,500. While you might be lucky to get from another vendor at 6,200 or 6,300. The prices of things are just, rising every day, and some persons say it's due to the hike in fuel price, in petrol price. It is well with us.
How many did there? How many?
This one 10, this one is 10 and a half.
10 and a half. Man, and the oats with it?
Yes.
So I've transferred this
6,500.
6,500. Yeah. So I beg I confirm. No. So if I'm not confirm, if you know the company, I know if you come back home. Never do me back in the phone. I'll never do me back.
You guys, by the time I got to the provision store stand there, I was already exhausted. Not that I was physically too tired. I mean, the cost of, foodstuffs right now, it's kind of annoying. Like, it just makes you weak. That was practically how I felt at the point when I already got to the provision stand. Anyway, guys, after I left the market, my last stop was in this cool room where I got half, let's say 5 kg of chicken. You guys saw the price at 23,500. It is well. So this is the yam I got at 8,000 naira. These 3 tubers of yam, and then I got the both plantains at 8,000 naira. That is 4,000 naira for each of them. And this is the chicken that I got at 23,500 naira. That's Oba brand. My darlings, so what I just did practically was to offload everything from the sack bag to help me make the review faster. So let's start with the provision items and the toiletries. This is Viva detergent and clean detergent. Each of them was sold at 2,500 naira. And this petroleum jelly was sold at 3,500. Familiar was sold at 3,500 each. And then Close Up was sold at 1,500. Each of the sugar is sold at 1,200 naira. And this cornflakes, a roll of it is sold at 4,500 naira. Now, a full carton of Milo has 20 rolls. So half carton is 10 rolls, and this 10 rolls is sold at 18,000 naira. Now that's to say that the full carton is sold at 36,000 naira. Now the same thing as the milk. Milk is also sold at 36,000 naira for a full carton. Half carton is 18,000 naira, and half carton is 10 rolls and a half. Okay. These are the pepper soup spices I talked about in the market. Okay, I got all the spices together at 4,500 naira. Now the chai seed is sold at 1,000 naira, and then these dates you see here is 1,000 naira. Okay, so I got this habanero pepper at 500 naira, and I got the catfish at 1,200 naira each. I got 7 cards. I got this local crayfish. I got this palm oil, 4 of it at 5,200 naira, and I got this King's cooking margarine at 1,000 naira. I got this curry powder, 4 of it. And I also got thyme for sachets. Okay, I got Maggi crayfish at 3,500 naira, and I got this golden terra oil. A liter of it is sold at 3,200 naira. I got 4 liters. Okay, so this is the onions that I got at 3,000 naira. I got potato worth of 1,000 naira and okra worth of 3,000 naira. You guys, I'll be writing the price of every single item in the caption. Okay, please. So I got gari, that's 3 custard rubber of gari. I got our local tangerines, and I also got mangoes. For those of you who watch my market vlogs, you know I always buy any fruit that is in season for market. And I got a crate of eggs at 6,200. My apologies. I also got pineapples at 700 naira each. That would be it for all of these items that you guys have seen. Oh yeah, least I forget, I got 2 crates of fresh tomato at 26,000 naira. Now that's a total of 206,000 naira. And the funny thing is, we go see the shop. Oh, even before a month time reach, we go see the shop. Children are back to school. It is well.